Ano?
Ay, te!
Oh,
What?
diba? Parang may
Check it out. We just got here and we have to bring all our stuff with those carts. Take that cart over there. There's probably a reason why we're only doing this once a decade. That walk from here all the way over there. And we gotta load all these things. We got 2 fridge generator. And then don't miss your flight. That's just one cart. And then there's another cart over there. Grab the other one.
Yeah, I made this one enough.
All right, last cart. And then we gotta check in, grab the boat. We forgot how complicated it is to bring everything on the boat and bring everything back into the truck. But yeah, check it out. Hoo-wee. Got Ducky coming around. What's up? I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour. We got the slide right up here. The motor, we gotta check the propeller and the engine before we even go anywhere. Take you guys upstairs. This boat costs about $1,400, take it 2 nights. And this is the top deck. You can slide down here. The patio pontoon also comes with a sink, mirror, shower, and a toilet. It also comes with a bar, a grill with all the utensils, and a cooler that's on board. Tony Ramey's texting. Where is Boo Boo? 5 minutes away. He's right here. Yeah, he's on the other side of the dock. Tony! What are you doing?
Pray mo ako, Pini. Ano?
Ay, te! What?
You didn't see that?
No comment.
In my butt.
What are you guys doing here?
It's hot.
You're hiding?
Get in the water.
You're not even in the shade.
It's hot. So get in the water.
Get in the water. You better Holy shit. What the fuck? Was Tony first?
Hell yeah!
Oh, hey, Craig. What the fuck? No, you fucker! You look like you're peeing.
Oh, baby, get at this thing! Woo!
Let's go. Cardi, slide. Come on. Get on the slide. What?
No slide. Not yet. Why not?
Get on the fucking slide, please.
I'm over the weight limit.
So fuck.
I weigh more than you.
We're gonna turn this one off. And then cook on that side, and then warm on this side. Okay.
I hope you're not allergic to nuts.
Tara, pare! Jump! No, you gotta do it. Oh my God. That was... Yeah, hindi ka matutumba. Okay lang yan.
Di na ba yung nauurong?
Sige, tanggalin mo na ate.
Teka lang!
Take it off.
Teka lang!
Alright, no, you gotta go there and then I'm gonna follow you from behind.
Teka.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Oh shit, really?
Mga kaibigan, Diablo.
Wait, hold on. Wait, baka mamatay ako!
No, you're not. I'll do it after you.
Praise the Lord.
There's nothing. Welcome to my empty life.
Ducky, what are you doing?
I'm watching my friend play. He plays for the Phillies.
No way. Alright, you want me to take a photo?
Well, yeah, but I'm gonna lay down. Watch this. I can't turn around.
These guys are getting ready to leave. We're gonna drop them off and then we're gonna continue with the night. Craig is passed out in that tent and then we're gonna start the bonfire and then just hang out with these guys. Risa's leaving.
Palawan vibes.
Fucking Why are you leaving?
Bye, because I have to take them home.
Oh fuck. Ate, you got it. Yeah. It's right here. Yeah, you see that? Those are the ladder. You get on it. Yeah.
Bakit? Good.
I can't go, huh?
Bakit?
That's you want me to go with you? Who else is going?
Six is fine.
All right. So they make me push this boat right now. Like these people that don't want to stay. Oh shit! Sorry, I'm standing next to us. When you go, come on, Louis. We got it. I'm gonna push it one hand. Yeah, bring your muscles down here. Shit. No. We good.
Smile! Where are you going?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take that a bit.
I was gonna take that. Oh my God. Disney princess.
Golly, these guys. So, how deep are we dropping them? Like, in the middle?
That seems
We did it.
You know, go where the channel is. Let's go.
Oh, I thought we were gonna drop them in the middle of the water.
My dog's going along. You want to see something cool?
Wow. So this one's almost ready. We got the salmon flipped. We got the mushroom. We got the broccoli ready. The plates and everything. And she is gonna start the fire.
Haze, get the camera.
Oh yeah,
I got him.
Yeah. Let me tighten my drag.
Get the gaff. Get the gaff.
Get the gaff.
I got him.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's called copyright. We're gonna make a breakfast sandwich.
I think you can only use like a couple of seconds.
That's why I subscribe into like a.
Why don't you just pay for it?
I do. I pay for the subscription for free music. Egg. Ow!
Oh, you like your eggs?
In her mouth. Dang, did I just have that on film? Crap.
It's just.
I gotta edit that off.
Oh, got cheese's winners on there.
Kapow. Thanks, Louie.
I got this in the back.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to hitting that. I got burnt yesterday. Fuck.
Yo, that chick wanted me to take her video at like peak hour. I was like,
I told her what's up.
hey, I was like, Louis, what's up? Like, come, Louis. I said, Louis.
Boom, look at that. That's your breakfast sandwich. Whew.
Hard
Hard-boiled eggs. Ooh, yeah. It's nice and quiet. Craig's passed out. This was campfire yesterday. We're gonna clean this up. It's 9:30. We just had breakfast, bacon, eggs, cheese sandwich. And now we're getting ready for our
barbecue chicken.
Yep, we got barbecue chicken, burnt ends. Thank you, Louis, for leaving us with some goodies. Shit. The guys are wrapping up the tents. We're gonna clean this up. Leave it the way you found it. Keep it clean. So we got Victoria trying to survive over here. They had a full-on shenanigan yesterday. Laura's enjoying breakfast sandwich over here.
It's so delicious.
Time to clean this up and then slowly pack up.
Yo, so
Checking my luggage. Welcome back.
But it's pretty much it's the same thing.
Oh, round two? Get that Jamie cold down.
Yeah.
hey, we listen to
Woo, it's burning.
Said Silva Jameson, she's on a roll.
There's a spot where
we gotta. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, you gotta move around.
all right, I'm gonna continue cleaning.
I got this, bro.
Yeah.
I got this.
Our chef, the grill master.
I got this.
Hey, no more about some fire extinguishers? I said no. I said I'd give $5 for both of them. $10.
That's it. Lunchtime. All right, check it out. So you saw that earlier. Leave it the way you found it. Keep it clean, you know. It's common courtesy.
Spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. I found your tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's okay.
When the dead girl.
We're not showing the dead girl. That was it for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own.